This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Gary Poling. This beautiful furnished 3-bed/2.5 bath is the perfect place to call home. Nestled in a privately manned secured community. It has travertine floor throughout the home and a nice open layout floor plan to enjoy your private fenced yard backing up to a preserve. Master suite has a Jack and Jill sinks and walk-in closets. Walking distance to the clubhouse and pool amenities. The community has a 6,000 square foot clubhouse, 3,000 square foot resort-style swimming pool, 600 square foot exercise facility, 2 full-size tennis courts, 11 half-mile walkway that winds through a beautiful nature preserve and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Gary Poling at 772-284-4511.